YouTube, Grand Rising, good morning to you guys. I'm rolling. I am in Pennsylvania, the Litany, what is it, the Nittany Lions, I think. I'm on my way to my customer, and I figure I'm feeling good, woke up feeling really good. Shut your ass up, lady. And I said to myself, let me go and give you all a video and show you what I'm seeing this morning at 5 something? Let's see. It's almost 6. But I've been going for about an hour and something now, an hour and 10 minutes. Right? So it's almost 6, so I'm seeing daylight. Because I do not like driving. You guys know I do not like driving at night, but I'll do it. Get this bag, I'll do it. But I said I'll come back at you early while I got a chance. I got another 3 hours or whatever, 2.5 hours drive. So let me go and give you all the video before I start getting into a lot of traffic. And just kind of build on what I was talking about yesterday, last night. How these women are able to get away with their deceptions is because of our biological imperative. The fact that we have a direct biological need, and they're using that need for exploitation. The system is using that need for exploitation. So we need to definitely have penis control. You can't let your penis lead you around like a puppy, right? You can't let it lead you around like a puppy. You have to have control, right? Your big head has to be in control at all times. This way, it'll open up your conscious and your subconscious. So when you are in the presence of these strags, these females, these succubi, these tramps, you will be able to recognize the deceptions in real time and not let them get past you, because you have to address each deception at the moment that is uttered out of her mouth. You can't allow it to just go by, because I notice what we do as men. We say, oh, that doesn't mean anything. She didn't mean anything by that. And we usually just let it go. We have a tendency of letting things go. And we have to stop doing that. Hold on, let me let this guy pass me. I hate when guys just stay on the side of me for miles and miles and miles. Going on around. Slowing the truck down just so he can get past me. But I digress. Yeah, but we have to be able to recognize the deceptions in real time, okay? Because the whole society is on board with them exploiting our biological imperative and our needs. The whole society is on board with this. So we can't run to society for no aid and assist. We have to aid and assist ourselves by working together to expose the deceptions. And men will have to literally start actually studying this stuff. That's why red pills daily is a good philosophy for all us to adopt, so we can up our IQ in terms of the product that we call women. Because they're all on board with this to one degree or another. Some of them are all the way on board, some of them are halfway on board, and some are just on board a little bit. And we need to be able to assert our dominance, but by using our mind and not our emotions. That's another thing we need to master, is our emotions. You gotta master your penis, and you have to master your emotions. And that would allow you to see the deceptions in HD, in real time, and not let it get past you, and address these deceptions the moment that they're uttered out of her mouth. This would definitely help us in the long run, and it'll up our confidence, it'll up our self-esteem, because a lot of guys can't deal with women, period, and so it tends to make us introverts. Tend to withdraw into ourselves and not even deal with them, period. And to me, that's not healthy. You're being attacked, and you decide to just go in deep inside yourself to try to hide from the attack. No, if you're being attacked, understand how you're being attacked, come up with a tactic, come up with a strategy, and counterattack. Win the war, or at least win the battle. So ultimately, you can win the war. But don't run from battles. I don't run from battles with these strands. I sit right there in their face and deal with them and all of their fuckery, logically and without getting emotional. And of course, they can't deal with it because I'm considered, what do they normally say? Hold on, let me think. Mean. That's what I normally hear. You a mean man. Guess what I do? I own it. You're right. People do say I'm mean. Yeah, I probably am kind of mean because I don't want to accept nobody's bullshit. That's how I answer that question on the fact that you are mean. And then they'll also say, "Oh, you're selfish. You don't believe in sharing." Yeah, I am selfish, but I have everything I want. I tend to spoil myself because I work hard. Nobody gives me anything. So I deserve whatever I work for. So I always spoil myself. So if that's considered selfish, then I guess I'm selfish. I always own whatever the hell they say. If they say, "Oh, you're shallow because you only want fit women," well, I'm a fit guy. So I don't think it's, I don't think it's unreasonable for me to ask for a fit woman. But even if you're not fit when I meet you, are you willing to get a personal trainer? Are you willing to put 4 or 5 days in the gym to catch up to me? If you're not willing to do that, then I get it. You're just gonna have to be unhealthy by yourself. They be like, "Well, that's not fair." Well, life is not fair. Okay? Life is not fair. You have to deal with it or leave it alone. I'm choosing to deal with it, to interact with it, to interface with it, to do whatever it takes to carve out a pleasurable existence for myself. And if you're not willing to do that, you're not willing to get on board, then get gone. Simple. Get gone. Disappear. Yep. Get gone. That's how I feel. So we definitely need to take our red pills daily. I guess that's what I'm going to title this. Take your red pills daily so you can up your female strag IQ. Because I notice even when I'm just dealing with women in a non-sexual capacity, they're still being rude. They still, they still treat me like a deadbeat dad or something. And I don't even know these women. They just rude. You ask them a question, they snarky. Got a funny look on their face. Like my mere existence is bothering them. Like why do I even have to exist? That's how I'm taking the energy that I'm feeling from these strags in a non-sexual environment, just out and about, buying stuff, going places, asking questions, buying products, dealing with, service people. And this is the type of energy that I'm feeling from these strags. And I just motor right on through it, act like I don't see it, or I say something snappy and snarly right back. And they have a look on their face like, really? And I'm like, yeah, really. And then I let it go, keep on going, to get whatever it is I'm there to get. But I refuse to let them take little jabs at my esteem because I don't look like no effeminate male. I look like a manly man. And I make no bones about it. I make no apologies about it. I'm unapologetically male, masculine. And if you don't like it, oh well, grab a ticket, bring your lunch, and get in line. Because I really don't give a damn. But I'm going to do it with a smile, and I'm going to say it with courtesy. But that's all I want to bring you guys this morning. It's finally daylight. And now I can spring into action, okay? Take care of this load and get my butt back because I got stuff to do with this truck. And hit the gym, you know what I mean? Get it in. I've been off a couple days. I got a little, seems like tendonitis in my shoulder. So I'm gonna try to schedule, I try to go to chiropractor once a month, but since COVID hit, I ain't been going. So I'm gonna see if they open and give me a correction. Nothing wrong with my back, but it's the fact that I sit down a lot. And then try to find me a deep tissue massage place and get both of those done. So I can, when I do hit the road, when I do go back to the road, I'll be feeling, my body gonna be feeling wonderful, wonderful. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll bring you something later after I deliver the load. I'm sure by that time I'll be to cruise these YouTube streets to see what else is out there that I can home in on. So, all right, love you guys. Grand rising to you guys. Get up, get out, and make something happen. All right, wish you more money, and you guys have a great day. It's payday, Friday, TG with a TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, payday, feeling good. So get out there and make it happen. All right, I'll bring y'all something a little later. Love you guys. Peace and hair grease.